Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I've made my way up to check on Brad and Jana. They have their machines tore apart. Things are coming together really nice. And while we're here, we're going to do an unboxing video of the Alternator Kit. Brad, how's the installs going?
Starting to think that maybe I should have had the dealer do it.
Oh, come on now.
Actually, it's been a lot of fun. Everything fits pretty well. Couple fumbles here and there, but yeah, it's pretty well thought out. But kits, and it's coming together.
Perfect. So we've got the Alternator Kit here. I know you guys have been waiting for a long time to see what's in the kit. So we're going to do a little unboxing video. We've got your install instructions there as far as where to find the videos.
I love those, by the way.
You can go and watch the videos as well as download the instructions right off of Kawasaki/accessories. What do we got? A whole bunch of stuff.
A lot of packing. That's the alternator.
There's the alternator, you guys.
Wiring kit cover.
Got the belt there.
This is.
There's your cover. All your bearings and bolts, wiring. What do you got in there? Gasket. This is going to be a fun project here, Brad. Let's see if we got a time frame on here. We'll be sure and post up in the description below on the time frame, but all your mounting, your pulleys and everything's there. So it's gonna be an extensive install there. A lot more information to come. Brad will be the first one of these. He'll probably get his on before I even start on ours back at the shop. But if you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. And as always, have a great day, everybody.